Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can factory reset your MI router 3C connection, create a backup of your existing connection, and also how you can restore the earlier backup you have created. For that, open your internet browser, go to this URL, log in with your ID and password, go to advanced, go to settings, then status. Before you do your factory reset, I would highly recommend you to create a new backup. To create a new backup, click on new backup, check all these options, click on backup and store it anywhere you like. To do a factory reset, click on the factory in this restore option and click on restore factory settings. So once you click this, it will restart and it will create a new open SSID connection. Once the factory data reset is completed, open your Wi-Fi networks and basically it will create an open connection. Connect to that. It won't ask for any password. Just in case you don't know the either of the admin password or Wi-Fi password, there will be a small pin sized hole in the back of your router. So insert any small pin into that hole and hold it for like 30 seconds. So it will basically factory reset your router, and again it will create a similar named SSID, and then you can connect and basically reconfigure. So after this factory data reset is completed, connect to the open network which is created. Open that same URL again. This time it will ask you to set up your SSID name and admin password, ID and password. So this is where you can name your SSID and the password with which you want to connect. This is for your setting your admin ID and password to configure your router related settings. I would recommend you to keep the password different as your SSID username and password. Click on setup successfully. So once you have done this, it will create a new SSID with the name you have used just now, and you need to connect with the password you have just used. So once the setting is done, connect to the SSID you just created and use the password to connect. Go to the router admin page. We use the admin password here. Go to settings. Then status. Now basically what you would like to restore your existing created backup. For that, click on restore option here, and while creating a backup you must have kept your backup somewhere. Navigate to that file, select it and click on start recovery, and all your network settings will be restored. After that, click on reboot router. It will reboot, and so once it's done, it will ask you to reboot your router, reboot it and then reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. So once reboot is done, you can now connect to your Wi-Fi network, and it will have the same SSID and password since you have done the restoration of your existing connection settings. Once it's done, you can connect your internet. So as you can see, it's working fine now. Thank you for watching. Have a good day ahead.